Welcome back to Bruce Doing Things Show. Today's video, Bruce review things. And today's battle, CRUNCHIPS versus Lay's. So POCA is basically Lay's because it's still living good enough. Our first competitor, CRUNCHIPS. Never tried this one before. I don't like the smell, to be honest. Okay, what is that? For the smell, I give like 2 out of 5. Let's check out the taste. Not that bad. 3.5 out of 5. Let's try the competitor of this cheddar cheese flavor. Smell. Right away, it smells cheese. It's so good. 4 out of 5 for the smell. Taste. So, to be honest, it's better than the CRUNCHIPS, but for the taste, let's say it's like 4 out of 5. So it's definitely good. I love chips, but not these two flavors. If I have to pick winner, Lay's. It's so much better, guys. It's way better. Alright, guys, there it is. First review. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you do, hit that like button. Comment down below your thoughts, whatever it is you want to comment. See you in the next one. Remember to keep doing it.